Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to share a private story on the Snapchat. So if you want to share a private story on the Snapchat, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat. Go to your profile from the left top. Here you will see new story option. Click on it. Here you will see two options, new private story and new shared story. Simply you have to click on the new private story. Now select a friend you want to add in your private story, create story. Now here you have to enter the private story name, click on the save. Once you will do it, simply click on the save. Once you will do it, as you can see, two members are here. Simply you have to click on it. Now share your story with your friend. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.